Yeah, you see the ToughRod first ToughRod boat out here in the jungle. You see it? That's Mercury 25. You know, first boat, beginner's boat. Marty put on the steering wheel. Yeah, I'm Mr. ToughRod. About to work on the boat for the first time, first boat. YouTube teaches everything, so yeah. Yeah, so I don't know what this is. This used to be the that used to be the steering wheel right there, steering stick, whatever they call it. I don't know what it is. Right now, I'm putting on the steering wheel, which is that right there. Go on this side. This is the kit, the steering wheel kit. QC, rotary, safety, first. That's what it says. I guess that's what that means. My trolling motor. Yeah, I already got that. Yeah. This is, I don't know what. This is a steering wheel. I don't know what they call it. There's a name for it. I don't know. My first time doing this. I ain't trying. I don't care about the names. I want to put it on. That's the engine. That's where that line, this line right here, this thick line, it runs all the way through here to this same thing I'm talking about. Let's see if I can find the name for you, so I won't keep on saying thing. I don't know, it's some type of rotary. It's the rotary. Anyways, I had to run this line through here, through the rotary thingamajigger, through here. And there's this little metal springy thing that once I turn the wheel, it'll run it all the way around here. And it comes out on this side. I already did all that. I forgot to grab my GoPro. I was rushing to get it done. Anyways, that's the bracket with a steering wheel, and this rotary thing is gonna go behind that. And then when this is mounted, this is gonna mount onto the steering wheel, is gonna mount onto the bracket. All that's gonna mount onto the bracket. It'll be right there. Okay? Then this line, which is coming from the rotary thing, is gonna come all the way back here into this piece, this hole, and come out through this side. That's what this is right here. Let's see if I can take that out, show y'all. Yeah, this right here is gonna go through the engine, and it's supposed to move the engine. So right now I'm at this part. Alright, did all this part. Now I'm going to put the screws in here, mount the steering wheel and all that good stuff. And once I do all that, I'll be back. Alright. Yeah, so you see the bolts? If you see it. See them bolts? 3 bolts holds it in. That's one of the bolts right there. There's washers. So first the washers, then the bolts. You can see underneath there. See how underneath there look? Yeah. First the washers, then the bolts. Now I've got it mounted. I put the little rotary thingamajigger, remember? The little thingamajigger rotary thing that had the steering wheel on. That's how it look underneath there. I put it through. That little bolt right here, it'll be 1 and 2 more bolts will hold the rotary thingamajigger on there. and the steering wheel sits back on there like how it was on top of it before. Alright, I'm gonna do that real quick and show you how when I'm finished. Alright, that's the finished product of the rotary thing. Now I'm gonna put this on over this. So that's the finished product of the rotary and the bracket. It's in there. Got the both bracket up in there. See how it is underneath. I can't see underneath there, so you get to see it. Now I'm gonna put this black thing on over this. Put this black thing over it. Alright. Wipe this lens off real quick. There we go. Almost done. Almost done. Now steering wheel goes on top of that. Let's get that started. Alright. That's a cover that goes over the rotary thingamajigger. I gotta put this little nut thing in here. Mosquitoes biting me. Yeah, that's to hold. That is for the steering wheel. Get it? Put one on one together. Get it? Let's squeeze it in there. Like that. Take a steering wheel. See? Nice. I got bolt that down, bolt the steering wheel down. Almost done. So the steering wheel is on. Give you an example of what I did. I've put this long piece. This was the old one, the old line that was running from up there. This is the old one. I ran this through this piece right. This is the new one, the new line. I ran that. It looks like this. I put it in through there. Came through the other side, like right here. That's it right there. And that's what turns the engine, left or right. So now this piece is gonna bolt down and well, let me show you. So I'm turning it, so it's moving over there, left and right. Alright, see that? I put some more grease on it like it's drying up. Put a whole bunch already. Put some more. Anyhow, that's where it goes right there. Oh yeah, I must keep in all the grease in there. Anyhow, this piece must like have to line it up to go to catch this right here. I don't know, like I said, this is my first boat. I don't know what's the name of what. This right here, that right there, thingamajigger, rotary, you know. I don't know. I'll find out in time. Right now, I know how to put it together. So, I'm gonna do all that. That should make the engine turn left or right once I bolt that down. But so far so good. So, let me get to that and I'll show you all. I have nobody here. I don't have no camera person. ToughRod don't have a camera person yet. But, so I can't do this and hold the camera at the same time. So let me do this and then piece by piece. Alright. So now as you can see, I've got it down in there. So I get the screw on. Work this on, and this should finally move the engine once I screw this on. See if I find me a wrench that could fit that there. This fit it. Nope, too small. Where's the other ones at? Got them wrong here someplace. Alright, I found the wrench. The right way. Found the right wrench. 9/16. Can you all see? Can you see that? Yeah. Alright. It's on. Right. Y'all saw that? Now let's see if the engine return left or right. Uh-oh, it's turning. Kind of tough though. No, it's supposed to be that tough. Guess I'm gonna have to do some tweaking, figure out how to loosen that up. But hey, progress.